I'm in a different area. This video is my moving into an apartment video, kind of like setting up and everything. So yeah, this is my apartment. I'm sorry, I'm talking so quiet. I moved 4 hours away from home. This video is me setting up everything in my new apartment. So yeah, let's get into the video. This is my room. So empty. Empty apartment tour. There's my mother. This is my closet, kitchen, bathroom, nightstand, bed, living room, TV desk. Now we're gonna bring all the stuff in. Are you ready? Sure. Ready? So I just did my first grocery shopping. I'm so grateful and thankful. But now it's time to put it all away. This is half of it. So let's put the stuff away. Now I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what my apartment looks like currently. It's not finished, so I'm gonna have to end up doing like an apartment tour when it's done. Yeah, I've only been here for like 3 days. This is my closet. There's like a little hallway, and then to the left is the bathroom. Low-key need my glasses on. This is my bathroom. I love this big mirror. My shower curtain, low carpet. I got this candle set. It came with 2 of them from Target. It was literally $5. It's the cutest thing ever. This is also from Target. Basically everything is from Target. I have an obsession with Target, and I'm so sad because the Target where I just moved sucks. And then this is my little like perfume, skincare organizer, makeup bag. This is where I keep my makeup. This is my Dyson. And then under here is just more stuff. So yeah, that's the bathroom. And then you walk out and this is my little kitchen, little mini fridge, microwave, and air fryer. My stove does not work and I'm waiting for them to fix it. This is my little don't even know what you would call this. I just think it's so cute. Everything's from Target. I think it looks so aesthetic. I'm obsessed with that little area. And I have knives. They usually go there, but I have them put away. Dishwasher. My oven. It's a Breville one. Super good. My coffee. And then in here is like my pantry. And then over here, my bowls and plates, my cups. And then up there is silverware, measuring stuff, and then more stuff up there. I have more storage down here. I just haven't used it because I'm waiting for them to fix that. You know, I have stuff there and then I have to move it. And then I have a little garbage can, my desk, more stuff. And then I got this body mirror from Target. It's actually surprisingly really heavy. And then my TV, coffee table, the couch. This has been the most amazing thing ever to just lug stuff around. This is my bed, like my bedroom. This is a studio apartment if you didn't know. So for right now, I'm keeping my cleaning stuff in this little basket, but I'm gonna end up putting it in one of those. So in here I have paper towels. This is more stuff. This is like my kitchen stuff. So there's more stuff, that container to make smoothies, a Stanley. Because there's like so much storage under the bed, it's really hard for me to get on the bed because it's really high up. But this is my bed. I think she's super cute. I want to get a little stuffed animal to put there, and that's like the headboard. And this is my nightstand. I'm obsessed with the nightstand. Super cute. Yeah, that's basically my apartment right now. Now I just want to get some decor stuff. Like I want to put some posters on this wall. I also want to put some posters like over there and some more lighting. There's definitely still a lot that I want to do to make it like my home, but that's pretty much it. Today was the first day of the semester. I can't bring my car because my apartment complex doesn't have parking available, so I had to walk to class. It was a good 30 minutes. I thought it was gonna be really bad. It wasn't that bad. So far so good. That was my moving into my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My socials are linked down below, and if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.